Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how I made this delicious beef roll snacks using simple ingredients. I prepare a soft buttery dough, fill it with well seasoned beef, roll it and bake it until golden brown. It's so tasty and yummy. This snack is preferred for breakfast, lunch or anytime craving. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like, share, and watch to the end. To my old subscribers, thank you so much. My new subscriber, thank you so much. And Happy New Year to you all. Please watch to the end, drop your comment, share, and like. Thank you. Let's get started.